So the core part of Tapestry is it works seamlessly in the background and pays people for the data they're already giving away. That's literally the whole business. Let's go to location services. Is it working? This is different for Android. Ultimately, with Android, you have a stronger prompt that you can edit up front. Never ask next time when I share while using your always. You want to place it on always. So I'm at my home screen. You can see there's a home at the bottom left of the screen. You can see that I have a goal of $5.50. And thus far, I've made $1.66. If I want to see how much money I've made per day, I would just hit the three lines here, go to payback history. You can actually see how much I've made each and every day. So yesterday, 24 cents, 19 cents, etc. As I continue to use Tapestry, my goal will continually increase. Now, let's jump to the map. The feedback we were getting so much is like, oh my goodness, I can see so many Tapestry people. Look at all these people. It's fantastic. So all of these are Tapestry users in my area. A completely anonymous avatar. I don't know his name. I don't know anything about this gentleman. It could be a woman. You can create an avatar that completely changes who you are. That's kind of the beauty of Tapestry, and it's completely anonymous. Here's what I know for sure. Every single person we see here is making money with Tapestry. Their data is being bought and sold by so many other companies. They've chosen to take that power back in their own hands and make money with us. And we are proud and privileged. On top of that, they can tap a friend, earn a buck. They can literally, with their own referral code, share the app, have that person download the app and make $1 as soon as that person's been active for 30 days. And as Danny stated here, all of this information we do not see. So as you notice, when I went to that avatar, I didn't know his name. Like I put mine as W. Harrison. You could put your address here. You know, none of that stuff is displayed at all. It's really just a check for us to constantly remind you that only you can see your common nighttime dwelling, AKA your home, but no one else can. So this is spinning intentionally. And right now it's querying where my location is. At the same time, there are tens of thousands of other people using this app. So when this happens, you know, what you can do is a couple things. You could just take it, swipe, remove it, go back in, and you're basically clearing the cache, just telling, you know, Tapestry, kind of forget who I am for a second, and it'll work again. Now let's go back to the map. It should work right away. We want to jump in here and start answering surveys with us. Here's how it works, right? So you get to this process. It's taking the age, it's taking the gender, it's taking my date of birth, and it's really optimizing me to do a bunch of surveys. It's going to load. I'll go through a bunch of screens of opting in. Bam. Agreed, go back here. Now, when you hit this screen, you're still in Tapestry, but you've kind of joined a partner of ours where you can actually fill out surveys. And people are making money with these surveys, Danny. I cannot tell you enough. I saw one woman, she's going to make $175 from us in the month of October from doing surveys. Because with our information, this is the opportunity, what Tapestry has as a bigger thing is because we're taking our anonymous micro data, optimizing it, and then sending you to a survey that is completely anonymous as well. And then when you answer those, you'll make more versus just random questions that generally every survey has. I would recommend don't go through this survey super quick. I would really take your time. Also, they will ask you the same question multiple times. They're trying to reach out and try to figure out, are there bots taking surveys? Because generally that is the biggest concern in this space. So people are making as low, I've seen 50 cents, I've seen as high as $15 for completing a survey. And that could take as little as 2 minutes or up to 45 minutes. People are taking that time. And we appreciate it. It's completely voluntary. And that's not something you have to do. It's really up to you. So that's the survey side. Just like if you were in Waze or Google Maps or Apple Maps, if you sat here constantly, it's going to drain your battery. So what you can do is pop up and swipe. That removes Tapestry from running in the foreground. Now it's running in the background. The green button you see here where it says stay active for 30 days and earn a bonus, you know, that is checked by default. So you're active right now. This is active. The foreground is when you're actually inside the app. Background is when you leave the app.
app that makes earning simple and prioritizes your privacy by keeping you anonymous? That's Tapestry, the app that gets better with every tap. Download today and start earning.